The year is 2026. Desktop replacement is dead. Nvidia just dropped the Blackwell bombshell. The RTX 50 series laptops are here, and they're rewriting the rules of physics. We're talking AI-generated frames, multi-frame generation that quadruples your FPS, and processors so smart, they learn how you game. Starting at number 1. ASUS ROG Strix G16. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 2025 is a powerful gaming laptop designed for enthusiasts who demand high performance and immersive gaming experiences. Here are the detailed specifications. Display. It features a 16-inch FHD Plus display with a 16:10 aspect ratio, providing a resolution that enhances both productivity and gaming. It boasts a high refresh rate of 165 Hz and a response time of 3 milliseconds, resulting in smooth visuals with minimal motion blur, perfect for fast-paced gaming. Graphics. The laptop is equipped with the Nvidia GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU, which offers advanced graphics performance, ray tracing capabilities, and AI-powered features, allowing for stunning visuals and high frame rates in the latest games. Number 2. KAIGERR 2026 RX 16 Laptop. The KAIGERR 2026 RX 16 laptop boasts top-tier specifications that cater to both gaming enthusiasts and professionals alike, beginning with the remarkable AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor. This powerhouse features an 8-core, 16-thread architecture that can boost up to an impressive 4.75 GHz, ensuring not only blazing fast performance but also seamless multitasking for demanding applications. Users can expect a significant upgrade in performance, over 30%, compared to the previous AMD R7 5700U, 5800U, 5825U, and 6600HX models, making it an ideal choice for those who require robust processing capabilities for resource-intensive tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, or high-end gaming. The laptop's design incorporates an advanced dual-fan cooling system, which is a standout feature. This system is crucial for maintaining optimal operating temperatures during heavy use, such as gaming sessions or intensive productivity work. Unlike standard cooling designs, KAIGERR's dual-fan setup effectively expels heat and significantly reduces thermal buildup, ensuring that the laptop operates smoothly without any risk of throttling. This efficiency translates to prolonged performance levels, allowing users to enjoy extended gaming or work sessions without interruptions, all while keeping noise levels low for a more pleasant environment. Number 3. AMD Gaming Laptop with Ryzen 7 7735HS. The AMD Gaming Laptop features a powerful Ryzen 7 7735HS processor, capable of reaching speeds up to 4.75 GHz. It boasts a large 16-inch Full HD screen that delivers stunning visuals, making it perfect for both gaming and multimedia use. With 16 GB of RAM, this laptop provides ample memory for smooth multitasking and performance in demanding applications. The 512 GB ROM, read-only memory, offers substantial storage space for games, software, and files, ensuring you have enough room for all your needs. Running on the latest Windows 11 operating system, the laptop enhances productivity and provides a modern user interface. It includes several connectivity options such as HDMI for external displays, Wi-Fi 6 for faster internet speeds, Bluetooth for wireless peripherals, and a Type-C port for versatile connections. Number 4. RTX 5060 GPU. The laptop computer for gaming is powered by an RTX 5060 GPU, providing exceptional graphics performance, making it ideal for gaming enthusiasts. It features a stunning 240 Hz refresh rate on a 2560 by 1600 resolution display, ensuring smooth visuals and an immersive gaming experience. The laptop is constructed with a durable metal chassis, offering both aesthetic appeal and sturdiness. Under the hood, it is equipped with an AMD Ryzen 7 H255 CPU, delivering high processing power suitable for demanding gaming applications, productivity tasks, and multitasking. The system comes with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, enabling speedier data processing and enhanced performance during gaming sessions or while running resource-intensive applications. Number 5. Nvidia GeForce RTX 4050. The MSI Thin 15 is a sleek and powerful 15.6-inch gaming laptop designed for gamers and multitaskers who demand high performance. It features a full HD, FHD display with a 144Hz refresh rate, providing smooth visuals and enhancing the gaming experience with reduced motion blur. Powering the laptop is the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4050 graphics card, which offers advanced graphics capabilities, making it suitable for modern gaming titles and graphic-intensive applications. This is paired with an Intel Core i5-13420H processor, which ensures fast and efficient performance for multitasking and demanding software. With 32 GB of RAM, the MSI Thin 15 can handle multiple applications running simultaneously without lag, making it ideal for gamers and content creators. Storage-wise, it boasts a 2 TB capacity, split across a 1 TB PCIe SSD for fast boot and load times, and an additional 1 TB via a docking station, providing ample space for games, files, and media. So, which one is going into your battle station? Links to every single laptop we talked about today are waiting for you in the description below. Check prices, compare specs, and secure your rig before they're gone.